Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this resort like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the resort and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 9.1,
Which is the superb. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant reviews we provide, including accommodation, television, partners, open board, and dietary options. Category 1. You can see on the screen reviews like room service, bed price, room view, amenities, facilities, and privileges, etc.
room category 2, room category 3, room category 4,
Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen categories of rooms are available online.
pets are not allowed in this hotel.
The location of the hotel is excellent and guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the checkout time is 11 a.m.
Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, below the link in description. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.